Hi, this is the INFINIX Smart 7 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes by default. So let's open first the box. So what we got here? The charger brick, INFINIX original one charger, the micro USB cable, earbuds with the 3.5 millimeters port, some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guide with a warranty card, and also we got here the SIM eject tool. And one more thing, this is the protective case. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.